Welcome to Blue's Garden, growing tomato from seed to harvest. The best way to do this is to make sure you have the best ingredients. So start with very clean trays, use a little bit of bleach, rinse them thoroughly, dry them thoroughly. Fill it all with sterilized seed starter. Make sure that you are using good seeds that are fresh. If you have them that are too old, you'll have bad germination rates. Once all of the seeds are in their little trays, off they go onto heat mats and under grow lights. In a few days, you will see some germination. Once they start to get a little too tall, then start to pot them up. This is the second time go around potting up. You don't want them to get too leggy, and then every time you pot them up, you can bury them just a little bit deeper. You can add more soil around everything. Once you've started potting up, start using some potting soil, not just seed starter. Gives the best chance for some decent-sized tomato plants. After you've potted up a couple of times, then it's going to be time to harden off. Click on the link here and I'll show you how you can harden off, but it needs to be done slowly. Indoor plants need to get used to both the wind and the sun, otherwise they could get burned and die off. Once they're hardened off and do overnights a couple of nights, then it's time to transplant them into your permanent containers or in the ground. I bury them nice and deep. Your stems will always form new roots, so you can go deeper if you want. The little hairs on the stems actually become roots, so bury them as deep as you like. Make sure you're watering them. Make sure you're well-fertilized soil. You'll start to see your tomatoes will ripen. I am here picking up some of my Roma tomatoes, San Marzano, picking some of the cherry tomatoes, white cherry, black cherry, sweeties, picking some of the beefsteak tomato, some of my Ananas Noir, which is the black pineapple. It's got a little fruity flavor. Inside it shows as green, red, and a little purplish. Very cool tomato. These Mushroom basket are amazing tomatoes. Really sweet, great flavor. Nice slicing tomato. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.